All right, we're going to work on finding the height of a triangle when given the area and the base. So let's take a look at our triangle here. We have a base of 8 inches and our area is 40 inches squared. What is the height? So we're going to go ahead and use our equation, our formula, area A equals 1/2 times base times height. So we're going to plug in the numbers that we know. Our area is 40 equals 1/2 times my base, which is 8, times my height, we don't know, so it's going to stay height. So now we can simplify on the right side of our equation. Our 40 stays the same. So 40 equals, and our calculator, we can plug in 1/2 times 8. So 1 ABC2 times 8, which is 4. So 1/2 of 8 is 4, and then we bring down our h. Now we want to get the h by itself. So what is the opposite of times 4? The opposite of times 4 is divided by 4. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4. My 4 divided by 4 is 1, so that leaves me with 1h, and 40 divided by 4 is 10. So my height is 10 inches. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing with the trapezoid. So I'm going to erase this, and I'm going to draw my trapezoid. All right, so let's take a look once I get all of this erased, and I'm going to draw my trapezoid. And once again, we're looking for the height. So I'm going to have a base of 10 meters and another base of 4 meters. My area of my trapezoid is 77 meters squared. So let's go ahead and write our equation for area of a trapezoid. Area equals 1/2 times height times base 1 plus base 2. Let me go ahead and start plugging in my numbers. Well, my area is 77 equals, I bring my 1/2 down, times my height. I don't know my height, so it's going to stay h, times base 1, which is 4, plus base 2, which is 10. Now I'm going to go ahead and simplify on the right side of my equation. So my 77 will stay the same. My 1/2 times my height times 10 plus 4, I'm going to simplify that, is 14. Once again, I'm going to simplify on the right side of my equation. I can do 1/2 of 14. Since this is all multiplication on the right side, I can do it in any order. So what's 1/2 of 14? Or I can plug it in my calculator. 1 ABC2 times 14, which is 7. And then I still have my h to bring down. So I took care of those. How do I get rid of times 7? Well, to get rid of times 7, I do the opposite, which is divided by 7. And I need to do that to both sides. So my 7 divided by 7 is 1. So I have 1h left. And 77 divided by 7 is 11. So my height of my trapezoid is 11 meters. Hopefully this helps finding the height when you're given the area in a triangle and a trapezoid. This is Mrs. Madden, and I'll see you next time.